I think the fact that we're themed sets us apart from a lot of different lodging places. We've got the canoe room, we have the bear room, we have the ski room, we have the antique rose room, we have the Harry Potter room, that's a guest favorite, it's our newest. We've got the Ford Chevy room, or Route 66 room. We've got the little house on the prairie that looks like a cabin. We've got the Roy Rogers room. We've got the Gilligan's Island. We've got the Cowboy room, Beverly Hillbillies, Shabby Chic with the kitchen, and then I Love Lucy. I'm Vicki Wiley, and Dusty Wiley's my husband, and we're the owners of the Dusty Boots Motel and Cafe.
And I'm Cindy Bradshaw. I don't know, I do everything. Help Vicki. You name it, I'm here.
We bought it in October of 2016. It was built in 1960. The rooms when we bought it and looking at them, I don't think they'd been renovated since the late 70s, early 1980s.
How do you 200% better than it was back then? It's just total night and day. The rooms are better.
We did the original 1950 type chenille bedspreads, but they were getting snagged too easy, so we went to reproduction 1950 style of chenille. A classic all-American diner. We have several different types of breakfast skillets, omelets. We have all kinds of hamburgers. We have chicken fried steak. I would say probably 90, maybe up to 92, 93% of everything in here is homemade. And we have beer now.
Yes,
That's new.
beer.
And then we also have a jacuzzi that we put in 2 years ago. And then we also have the little disc sleds. So during the winter time, there's no charge to take those and go sledding. And then they're here year round, so you can take them to White Sands.
And then all the rooms come with a microwave, refrigerator, and a coffee pot.
And we ended up knocking out part of the ceiling and building our own custom bunk bed. We call this also the family room. We've got the ski resort 2 miles from us. And then just to escape the heat, people come up here and just enjoy the trails. And we're busy from Memorial Day through the end of November. And when I say busy, we're running really 100% occupancy. And the hunters really like us. They can block off a room, block off a couple of rooms, and let's say it's for 7 nights, but they tag out on the 3rd day. We do not charge our hunters until they check out. We have a direct book where they can go to our website, Facebook, TripAdvisor, Google. You can book right from those sites and book directly with us. And then we also have booking.com. We're humbled when somebody comes over that threshold and gives us a chance and tries us out for the first time. We're humbled, thankful, and flattered when they come back a second time. It makes us just want to keep doing what we're doing and keep trying to do it and make it better.